Hey there guys, today I got a Master. It's a Master 570. It says NO570 down here by the drain hole. It's basic padlock. Key code is 15R75. Key blank is going to be a 81. And I should be able to pick this lock open. It does have a couple spool pins in it. The plug is doesn't spring back, which makes it kind of unique when you go to pick it because of the spool pins. It's got 5 pins in it. Should be able to get it to drop in a false set here and get out of it. Let's see. At the back, there's a 4th pin. 2nd. Back to the 3rd here. Take under it. Nope. Oversetting something. There's a 5th. 4th. 3rd doesn't want to go up. 2nd. Can't get that 1st to catch. Okay, there it is. Yep, just having a tough time with it. There's 5th, 4th. 2nd. 1st. There's a false set right there. It drops in and out of false sets now. Let's see if I can get out of it. Find that 1 pin. Do some counter rotation. There's 1. Seem to be oversetting something. There's something. There's another false set. Let's see if I can get out of this without oversetting anything. Okay, there's another false set. Yeah, I thought I had it. Almost. Let's see. There's a deeper false set. Keeps going in and out of these false sets. Keep oversetting it. Let's try it again. Another pass. There it is. So there it is, picked open. Yeah. Show you guys a look at the key bitting here, maybe, if I can. There's a look at the key bitting right there. Like I said, it's got 5 pins in it. It does have security pins in it. And it's going to be the Master number 570. As always, thanks for watching. And you guys have a good one.